Hello everyone, welcome to Gru's Garage. Thank you for tuning in today. So, we're back with another video for our 2022 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. This is an upgrade on the suspension video today. What we have here is the King off-road front suspension as well as the rear shocks. Now just so everyone knows who is a returning viewer or subscriber, and I appreciate you guys by the way, and if you're wondering what happened to the I-box suspension, nothing bad. Absolutely nothing bad. I want to put that out there. I still love the I-box. It was a great 2-inch lift. However, I wanted to go a little bit larger on the tires, and I ordered front and rear plate bumpers for this truck. They're going to be solid metal, plus we're going to have a winch up front. It's just going to be too much added weight for the suspension setup that I currently had back then with the I-box to handle it. So we went with 2.5s in the front for Kings, set up at 3 inches with the exterior reservoir to allow a little extra capacity for that oil to circulate while off-roading and handling that extra weight. We're still running the Falcon Wild Peak tires like before, but these are new size. I previously had the 265 70-17s with that I-box 2-inch lift. These ones are 285 70-17 with 3-inch lift. So a little more of a step up. I think that's probably the most common size for people with 2nd gen and 3rd gen Tacomas who modify or lift. So hopefully this will handle the weight of our bumpers whenever they arrive. We ordered some from Chassis Unlimited. They're supposed to work with your blind spot monitoring, all your sensors, because you know we have the premium package here. We still like to have fun off-road, but we want to keep those creature comforts for the on-road because we already paid for that, right? And their bumpers apparently work with all the sensors. So we'll check those out when they come. But for now, we're going to come up here, get a little closer, talk about the King suspension a little bit, and go have fun on the trails here, do a little bit of wheeling. So check it out. All right, guys, here we have an up close of it, so we can get a nice look at it. We have the Camberg upper control arms with the off-road King shocks, as well as the extended reservoir. It's pretty cool. It has a bracket that mounts right there to your sway bar to hold the reservoir. Pretty nice looking setup. We do still have to get an alignment on this truck because we haven't had this on very long. However, I'm waiting for those bumpers to come, and I'm not driving the truck a lot right now, so get those bumpers on, let it sag to the proper height, then we'll get it aligned well. Shout out to 88 Rotors down there in LA for hooking us up with the install on this. Super happy with them, great customer service. Let's go check out the rears real quick, see how they look. Here we have again the King shocks on the rear. And then we originally had the blocks, the 1-inch block with the I-box, if we remember right. We now have a change on the leaf pack. It's not sure the exact style. It's an in-house one from 88 Rotors. But so far, I can tell you, it sits nice, it rides nice. Super satisfied with it. We are sitting at a little downhill angle in the front, so just keep that in mind for how the truck looks. All right, let's head up these trails.